Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are exploring how a new car brand like Nio is gaining traction on the European market, with a particular focus on his performance on the EuroNCAP safety ratings of their latest full electric SUV, the EL6 model. And we will do that by comparing it with very well-known models coming also from Asia, the Honda CRV and the Toyota CHR, both of them being hybrid vehicles. So as we can see, the EL6 excels in protecting both passengers and vulnerable road users like pedestrians and cyclists, thanks to his advanced sensors and automated emergency braking system. However, it's important to note some limitation in scenarios involving motorcyclists. The Chinese vehicle obtained a maximum 5 EuroNCAP stars with the best scores for the adult protection with a 93% of efficiency. On the other side, the Japanese Toyota CHR, first introduced in 2016 with a distinct design, continues to impress with more technology and a consistent 5-star safety rating from EuroNCAP. Its autonomous emergency braking system has received high marks in multiple scenarios. He gets a 5-star of EuroNCAP rating, but this time with 85% adult protection and a very good 86% of the child protection. Meanwhile, the Honda CR-V with his 2-liter hybrid model holds a strong 4-star rating, which upgrades to 5 stars with the optional Honda Sensing 360 package. This package enhances the car's safety features significantly, improving the ability to prevent accidents, especially in pedestrian scenarios. And now our brief conclusion is that the Chinese car manufacturer like Nio in this case are coming very strong from behind, being now able to compete also in terms of safety with the already well-known car manufacturers. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our brief video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.